Hello friends, I'm Explorer A and today we are at Souk. Okay, like that, and I'll give you a tour of it. So check it out. It's Explorer A here, and let's go. Is the most best place for traditional enjoyments of Kuwait, and this place is like a small village, but it's a bit modern than a normal village. Yes. Mostly like fishes, because yes, and mostly clothing stores here. And this is the most attractive place in here. Oh yes, and this place also sells a lot of bakurs, and this place has a lot of varieties of chips in this place only, like this street only. This street, it's poor addition. So like that, I hope you understand what I mean. It's all about traditional mostly, but now after so many years they have increased, and there is one really special restaurant here, Firends. Yes, Firends. Okay, just this place is for traditional mostly, and this place sells so many sweets and types of fishes, types of rices, and types of souvenirs. Oof. If you are trying to explore this also in one day, you're gonna be like, oh, I'm so tired. Because this place has so many streets that this will confuse you. If you finish the street, suppose if you finish the street, you still will go there and you will not notice. This place is, we tell it in Hindi, bhul bhulaiya. It's like that. And this is the most crowded area. So very steep crowd, please stay away since it's COVID-19 and lots of variants are also released. So you might not go in that side only, okay? Even if you are using hand wash, I prefer you using wipes. And if you try to record in small stores and like that, they will not allow. I just tried one and they said nope. So guys, as you saw, they did not allow me to. So let's just go, you know. I don't care. I'm pretty famous. They're like, I would make them more famous, but don't ask me. I don't care. One guy will at least allow me. I don't know who, but it should work. Yep, it should work. Oh, what is this place? Oh, it's an elevator. I guess this is the main attraction area which I showed you earlier. Yep, just like that. We just started from there. Okay, we are at the exit now. From there you can exit. If we just take a round of the half market also, we'll be tired, and I'm very tired now. So many places, which is like yep, as you saw, it was the Kuwait flag. And something's written about this place also, I'll show you. It's all in Arabic. So let's go. Okay, you know, this is really tiring. Oh, tiredly tired. I'm like so tired now. I wish somebody would allow me to. This place is now more bad just because, like, maybe they like said this direction will take you this, but that's not true. It wasn't true. I don't know why. Don't trust the boat. Just go on your, just put your gear in D and go forward. Nothing else can be happening. Hey, there's something more written here. I don't know what's it like. Maybe the square meter? I guess so. It's something. It's like a water fountain to drink water. I guess more construction is going around here. And this is our clothes store. Bye, I guess they have to end the video. I'm lost. I don't know how I'll return home. Lost. I'm stranded now. By the way, I'll show you one pro act.